What's your problem now, Izzy?
Hey, the cast work day ended an hour ago. What are you doing here still?
Yeah, that was for the cast, not the people building this stuff. I fall into a totally different category. What's your problem, Iz?
This is an official Christmas tree that we grew ourselves. The mother tree's right there. She's gonna watch us. Film the mother tree over there, Pat. And then the daddy tree is back there. You can see the daddy tree is way above the building. This tree is approximately 9 years old, same age as Abel. And we're going to cut it down. We did a show of the giving tree. Well, now we're gonna reenact the giving tree because this will be our Christmas tree. Thank you, Lord.
All right, you want me to cut it down or you cut it down?
I want you.
All right.
I'm thinking. Okay, here we go. The cutting of the tree. Quiet. Everybody be quiet. He's cutting.
Well, no, you gotta cut the whole thing down. Go down the bottom.
Oh, he will later.
What'd you say there? It's wobbly?
Let me pull that
Yeah,
out.
fucking axe.
I do, but that.
Okay, I can't post this now. It's got profanity.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, let me try for a while.
All right. All right, here, let me get. There you go. All right, Abel, watch out.
Okay. Go ahead. Watch out, Abel. Watch out, Abel.
Watch out, Abel.
Timber! Yay! I got the tree, oh, Jerry.
Oh, shoot, I didn't get you dragging it in.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's. All right, go ahead.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how big are your branches? Here we go, April sun.
All right, stand that thing up and let me see what it looks like.
Okay, let's see what it looks like, Abel. Here we go.
Awesome schmossum.
That's a nice looking tree.
Yeah. He'd help putting it. Just put it in there.
Why not?
I thought it put
Yeah.
down and I didn't put it
There you go. Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah, we'll just kind of clip that one back a little bit. That's a nice looking tree, Jerry Ann.